Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're outside and fixing to go into the greenhouse. I decided and come up with a wonderful idea of what I can do with all those tomatoes that I've been speaking of. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Let's get started. So this is the width that I was referring to. And basically, I'm just going to line up grow bags here. I'm going to try to trim the area up a little bit with the weed eater, but we're going to line up a bunch of grow bags, and I'm going to put 2 T-posts into the ground. And when the tomatoes start to grow, we will put a length of string, weaving them in and out of the tomatoes until they are very tight and standing up. And then as the tomatoes continue to grow, we will continue to add a layer of weave to the T-posts. It should be relatively simple to do. Now we're going to go back inside the greenhouse and pot up my tomatoes. You've probably seen me do this before, but I'm going to show you how I do it. And I just take my container, fill it up with soil. We're going to go ahead and do about 10 of these real quick, maybe a little bit more. Okay, I've went and filled up 13 cups, and we're going to go ahead and start the process of up potting. Now, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you've seen me do this before, but the process is to gently remove one of these, if I can, from the cell here. Without damaging the root ball or anything like that. It doesn't want to come up. So this one here, and it's dry, which is why it didn't want to come up. And we're going to plant it deeply into the soil. We're going to insert the label. This is a homestead, and we're going to put it there. And we're going to do the same thing for the next 12. So we have them planted and watered in, and overall, I think we have about 16, 17 plants. And if I can get the majority of those out into the row, that would be great. In addition to the other plants that I already have in containers and in the bed, we'll have close to 25, 30 tomato plants, which will definitely be the most I have ever grown. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I discuss my future plans with my tomatoes. I hope you think that it is interesting and are as excited about it as I am. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a like and a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of fruit and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. I bet you, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.